In 2026, you no longer need to be an experienced developer to build professional business websites. With the right AI tool, you can turn a simple idea into a complete site much faster and potentially offer it as a service. But access to AI is not enough. You still need to know what to create, what information to include, and how to make the result professional. Many beginners type, create a website for a restaurant, and expect perfection. Then the site looks generic and the buttons make no sense. That is normal. The AI can build the website, but you must give it clear direction. So I'll show you 3 beginner-friendly steps to choose a useful website, build it with Hostinger, polish it, and present it to potential clients without coding. And here's a little surprise for you. Use the Hostinger link in the description to follow the steps, and you'll get an additional discount code. Check it out, try the free version, and if you like it, choose the option that works best for you and follow the same process, adapting it to your niche. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. Choose a website businesses need. Now here comes my most important part, choosing what to build before opening the AI website builder. This is literally the difference between a random website and something useful to a real business. When I turn a basic idea into a clear plan, the AI gives me a much better result. I literally stop fighting with the tool and start directing it. First, choose one type of business. Do not build for everyone. Start with one category, like cleaners, barbershops, restaurants, trainers, or photographers. For this example, we'll create a website for Green Path Landscaping. The goal is not only to look super cute, it is to explain the service and help visitors make contact. Open a Notes app and list the sections: homepage, services, gallery, about section, testimonials, and a contact form with a quote button. This should take 5 to 10 minutes. You only need enough information to guide the AI. Here's what most people don't know. Website quality usually depends more on the instructions than on how many times you regenerate it. Instead of writing, create a landscaping website, write, create a modern website for Green Path Landscaping. Include a strong headline, lawn care, garden design, tree trimming, outdoor cleanup, a gallery, an about section, 3 testimonials, and a contact form. Use natural colors, simple text, large buttons, and a request a free quote call to action. Make it easy to use on desktop and mobile. Do not worry about a perfect prompt. The first version is only your starting point. Now let's turn it into a working website. Step 2. Build it with Hostinger. Now here comes my favorite part. Watching Hostinger transform our instructions into an actual website. When I enter a detailed prompt, the AI creates the structure, text, and visual direction. I literally love seeing a blank project become a real business website. Open the Hostinger link in the description. Log in or create an account. Open Horizons, start a new project, describe what you want, and let the AI create the first version. Paste the prompt from step 1 and check the business name, services, and main action. Requesting a quote. The first version may not be perfect. Maybe the headline is too long, the image does not match, or one section feels empty. That does not mean you failed. It only means the AI created a first draft. Think of it like an assistant. It builds the first version, and then you give more instructions. Start at the top of the homepage. A visitor should immediately understand what the business does, where it works, and what to do next. Instead of creating beautiful outdoor experiences, use professional landscaping services for homes in Austin, Texas. Then add a short explanation and a request a free quote button. Next, review the services: lawn care, weekly mowing and maintenance, garden design, custom plant layouts, tree trimming, safe trimming to keep trees healthy, outdoor cleanup, removal of leaves, weeds, and garden waste. Here's what most people don't know. Professional websites do not need complicated animations. Clear information, readable text, and visible buttons are more useful. Continue improving it through the AI chat. Make the homepage headline shorter. Change the button to Request a free quote. Add 3 reasons to choose this company. Rewrite the About section using friendly, trustworthy language. For small changes, edit directly. For bigger changes, use AI instructions, but building the website is only half the process. Next, we need to make it client-ready. Step 3, polish, present, and offer it. Now, here comes my most exciting part, turning the AI draft into a professional demo. When I review it from the customer's perspective, weak sections become easier to notice. I literally start seeing a real service instead of another AI experiment. First, test the desktop version. Click every important button. Check the navigation, headlines, and contact form. Remove unfinished text and placeholders, then open the mobile preview. Many customers will visit from their phones, so check that text is readable, buttons are easy to tap, spacing is clean, and images do not cover content. A website can look amazing on a computer and broken on a phone. That is why mobile testing is a game changer. Next, test the contact process. The business should be easy to contact through a form, phone number, email, WhatsApp, or quote button. For a real project, ask which method the business prefers. Do not invent phone numbers, prices, reviews, or service areas. Here's what most people don't know. You do not need a full custom website before speaking to a potential client. You can create one strong homepage demonstration and show the business what its new website could look like. You could send, "Hi, I came across your landscaping business and noticed that your website could be easier to use on mobile. I created a simple homepage concept to show how your services could be presented more clearly. Would you be open to taking a look?" You are not promising guaranteed customers, only showing a useful solution. Start small. Choose 10 local businesses with no website, an outdated layout, unclear services, or a difficult contact process. Personalize each message. Do not send the same spam message to 100 businesses. Offer a clear package with a 5-section homepage, mobile optimization, contact form setup, 2 revisions, publishing help, and 7 days of corrections. This is why Hostinger is so useful for beginners. Instead of connecting several complicated programs, you can describe the website, generate it, improve it with AI instructions, and prepare it for publishing from one workflow. It removes much of the technical work so you can focus on the business and customer experience. Now compare this workflow with the traditional way. Building a professional website used to require coding, design software, hosting knowledge, layouts, and mobile responsiveness. Learning the traditional method could take weeks or months. A professional custom website could cost $1,000, $3,000, or more, depending on the project. A custom website can involve planning, design, development, testing, revisions, and support. But some businesses only need a clean website that explains their services and makes contact easy. With Hostinger, your cost is based on the plan you choose instead of beginning with a large custom development invoice. Pricing and features can change, so check the current options through the link in the description. There is no special coupon code for this video. The main advantage is an easier AI-assisted workflow that moves you from an idea to a working website without complicated code. You might still be thinking, "I am not a designer." Start with clean layouts, readable text, simple colors, and clear buttons. The immediate benefit is building a demonstration faster. You can help a local business look more professional, develop a service you may offer, and test ideas without spending months on each one. Results still depend on your skills, effort, pricing, outreach, and value. Your first website will not be perfect, your prompt may need corrections, and your first message may not receive a reply. That is part of learning. The struggle is temporary when you improve one small part at a time. Remember the 3 steps. First, choose one business and create a clear plan. Second, use Hostinger to generate and customize the website. Third, test it, create a professional demonstration, and present it respectfully to potential clients. Use the Hostinger link in the description to go to the platform, but here's my advice. Start with the free version first. Take your time, test the AI builder, explore the templates, and see how it works with 0 commitment. No credit card pressure, just play around with it. Once you've tried it and you like what you see, then you can use my exclusive coupon code at checkout to unlock a special discount on your chosen plan. That way, you only pay when you're sure it's right for you. After that, pick just one business category. Finish your first homepage this week and drop a comment letting me know which type of website you created. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next videos, we'll keep building useful digital projects with AI step by step. Start simple, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next one.